Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Sidra. Give me your introduction.
My name is Ratkacha. My father name is Mr. Sayans Kumar. My mother name is Mrs. Manisha Devi. My sister name is Mr. Angita Chauhan. My brother name is Vinay Pratap Singh Chauhan. I want to become a police officer. I live in Tilian. My school name is Arikari Public School.
Answer some general knowledge question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Which animal known as shape of desert?
Travel.
How many continents there are in world?
Savvy.
What is the shape of Earth?
Round.
Which is the largest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter.
Which planet is closest to the sun?
Mercury.
Which is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
Which is the largest ocean in the world?
Australia.
Largest ocean in the world.
ऐसे को पूछना है.
Which is the smallest continent in the world?
Australia.
Sunrise at east and sets in
Best.
Which is the longest river on earth?
Dari.
Which country is known as land of rising sun?
Japan.
How many union territory there are in India?
8.
Which is the tallest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest.
Which sea separate Africa and Asia?
The Red Sea.
What is the phenomenon of splitting white light into 7 colors?
Dispersion of light.
The continent of Europe and Asia together known as? Continent Europe and Asia are together known as?
Eurasia.
Name the place known as roof of world. Name the place known as roof of world.
Tibet.
What are the two motion of earth?
Rotation and revolution.
Name the largest desert in the world.
Sahara Desert.
Which planet known as green planet? Blue planet?
Earth.
What is the chemical symbol of water?
H2O.
Which element has chemical symbol Co?
Oxygen.
What is the boiling point of water?
100 degrees Celsius.
Which phenomenon is responsible for blue color of sky?
Spreading of light.
Name the two seas surrounding Peninsular India. Name the two seas surrounding Peninsular India.
Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal.
Which animal is known as king of jungle?
Light.
How many legs does a spider have?
8.
Which is the tallest animal in the world?
Giraffe.
What is the baby dog called?
Puppy.
Which is the largest mammal on earth? Largest mammal on earth.
Blue bear.
What do plants give us to breathe?
Oxygen.
Which bird lay the largest egg?
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Which is the only mammal that can fly?
Bear.
What do we call kangaroo baby?
Joy.
How many bones there are in human body?
26.
Which part of plant make food?
Leaf.
What is the process by which plant make food?
Photosynthesis.
By which type of gas absorbed by the plant?
Carbon dioxide.
Which is the fastest land animal?
Cheetah.
What is the national heritage animal of India?
Elephant.
How many kidney do human have?
2.
Which organ pump blood?
Heart.
What is the largest organ of human body?
Skill.
Which is the smallest bone in the human body?
String can me.
Strips and strips. Which bird is the smallest in the world?
Hummingbird.
What is the process of conversion of water?
Abriculation.
Which is the chemical formula? What is the chemical formula of salt? What is the chemical formula of common salt? NH.
NAC.
Which is the largest forest in the world?
Amazon Red Forest.
What is the solid form of water?
Ice.
What is the smallest unit of life?
Cell.
Name the national bird of India.
Peacock.
Name the national animal of India.
Tiger.
National flower of India.
Lotus.
National anthem of India.
Yani Radagoli.
Who wrote national anthem of India?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Who is known father of nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
When did India get independence? When did India get independent?
15 August 1932.
1947.
1947.
Now translate what I asked for.
Yes, yes.
ये word कहाँ है?
Where is the road?
अब मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ।
I am going to now.
कृपया अपना कमरा साफ करो।
Please clean your room.
क्या खाना तैयार है?
It's ready.
मुझे अपना फ़ोन चार्ज करना है।
I need to turn my phone.
लाइट बंद कर दो।
Turn off the light.
चलो फिल्म देखते हैं।
Let's watch a movie.
मुझे 7 बजे उठाना।
Wake me up at 7.
क्या मैं तुम्हारे लैपटॉप इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ?
Can I use your laptop?
बिजली चली गई।
The electricity is going.
मैं अपने कमरे में रहूँगा।
I will be in my room.
नाश्ते में क्या है?
What for breakfast?
दरवाजा बंद है।
The door is locked.
मैं कपड़े धो रहा हूँ।
I am doing loudly.
खिड़कियाँ बंद कर दो।
Close the window.
यहाँ से कहाँ रखूँ?
Where should I give up this?
खुशबू अच्छी आ रही है।
It smells good.
शोर मत करे।
Don't make up a noise.
मेरी ज़रूरी मीटिंग है।
I have an important meeting.
समय सीमा क्या है?
What is the deadline?
क्या आप इसे फिर समझा सकते हैं?
Can you example this again?
एक्सप्लेन दिस अगेन।
Explain this again.
मैंने अपना कमरा पूरा कर लिया।
I
काम अपना पूरा कर लिया।
have finished my assignment.
बहुत बढ़िया काम।
Good job.
मैं एक दिन की छुट्टी ले रहा हूँ।
I am taking a day off.
क्या आपके पास पेन है?
Do you have a pen?
इस पर बाद में चर्चा करते हैं।
Let's discuss this laptop.
कृपया यहाँ हस्ताक्षर करें।
Please sign here.
फाइल कहाँ है?
Where is the file?
मुझे ध्यान केंद्रित करने की ज़रूरत है।
I need to
फोकस।
focus.
क्लास शुरू हो रही है।
Class is study.
स्टार्टिंग। तुम्हारा प्रोजेक्ट किसके बारे में?
What for project about?
मैं इसे कल जमा करूँगा।
I will meet in tomorrow.
आई विल सबमिट इट टुमारो।
I will.
यह मेरी रिपोर्ट है।
This is my report.
मैं बहुत कुछ सीख रहा हूँ।
I have finished.
आई एम लर्निंग अ लॉट।
I am learning aloud.